Welcome to Research Rock. In this video we will see now available macOS Ventura is available publicly. So how to download, how many features and how exactly look like, you can see entire process in this video. So before leaving, let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock so you can watch this video till end, so you can very easily see the features of Ventura. So now currently I am using Monterey operating system of Mac iOS. So look at this here, Monterey, and now I install here Ventura. So how to install, it's very simple. Look at this here, system preferences. I click here, software update, and look at this, the Mac OS Ventura is display here. Most of time some operating system are not showing, so you can change your location and then accordingly very easily available here. So I just simply upgrade now. Please connect the power before continue update, because of my battery is a 38% only, so we need to connect here power first of all and then we can download. So now I just simply upgrade here. I connect here my power, upgrade now. So the license process and agreement, you need to get the permission, agree, put it here password. Almost this operating system is a 12 point something, so we need to take time around half an hour, otherwise depend upon your internet speed, so we can wait here. During this process you need to connect as a power cable, and look at this here, the entire operating system size is 6.37 gigabyte, so need take time around half an hour definitely, otherwise depend upon your internet speed. So look at this, after finish the download, now installation process is going on. After complete the installation process, we will see remaining video. Look at this guys, after successfully installation Mac OS Ventura in my MacBook Pro, and this is a framework of Ventura. Earliest I am using Montreal and I update now Ventura. So we will see which types of advantage available on this operating system. So look at this, first important advantage comes here in the status manage. This one is one of the outstanding, I think so. If I open here Sublime text editor and I minimize here, so look at this, this is a minimization here, not the down screen. You can do same process like here. So how many tasks you are working currently, all tasks are displayed here if you are activated these features. And this is a new features introduced in Mac OS Ventura. If I disable this one, so look at this, all folder are on in the screen. So this is one of the advantage of the Ventura. Remaining features almost I think so same, some the background and music related features they are introducing. This is the features. Now if I open here my notepad, so notepad also look like very good compared to older version. And now if I open here system preferences, so look at this, system preferences is totally changed. If you are looking at a Montreal system preferences is a different framework and this one is a different framework, so all data is comes here in the column format and remaining informations are displayed here, the remaining portion. So you can at a time click and then check all features simultaneously one by one. I think so this is one of the best features as my point of view. They introduced some of the new tab features also here, control center, virtual assistant, privacy and security, keypad, trackpad and printers and scanner. So those features Ventura are introducing, and this is a framework of Ventura. So look like this, nothing so big different, but yeah, of course it's interesting for the developer, and my point of view it's quite interesting update of Mac OS Ventura. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.